What's up guys, this is rphy samstill. Today, I'm doing a quick unboxing and test of the cinema lens, the DZOFilm Vespid 35f 2.1 EF mount on my Sony A7R III. Straight from the box, you can already feel this a proper cinema lens. All metal body, solid build, geared focus and geared aperture. This is made for video, not photography. For the build and design, this is the EF mount version. Fully manual, no autofocus, no electronics, just full control. The focus ring is smooth and low through. Perfect for controlled focus pulls. I'm mounting this on my Sony A7R III using an EF2 E-mount adapter, shooting video in manual focus. This is an indoor video test. Available light only, shoot at 2.1. Even indoors, the lens is bright enough and the image already looks very cinematic. For outdoor shooting, I'm using an ND filter so I can still shot wide open at 2.1. Exposure is controlled, motion looks smooth, and colors stay very consistent. This is the night portrait test, and the background separation looks really good. Bokeh is smooth, highlights and clean, and the subject stands out nicely. Overall, the look is very cinematic, good contrast, natural skin tones, and no harsh digital look. This lens is not for everyone, but if you are into cinematic video and manual focus, the DZOFilm Vespid is a solid option. On the Sony A7R Mark III, it works great for both indoor and outdoor video. If you enjoyed this quick unboxing and test, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next vlog.